Hi everybody, John Walker here, your science teacher, and we're going to go back to one of the labs that we did the other day, yesterday actually, and we're going to take a look at the results when we put iron filings into this bottle, and we put a little water in there with it. So you had iron filings and water, and of course you had oxygen in there, normal atmosphere. And we blew up this balloon just a little bit, not much. And we're going to take a look and just see what happened overnight, whether or not there was any synthesis or combination of these different elements that made up a different compound. So once again, here's synthesis reactions. In a synthesis reaction, that's hard to say. In a synthesis reaction, two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single product. This type of reaction is represented by the general equation A plus B, which are the reactants, equals, with the arrow going to the right, AB. A single substance as the product is the key characteristic of a synthesis reaction. And you've heard me many times talk about sodium chloride or salt, and they use the example of Na, which is sodium, and Cl, which is chlorine, and you can see A plus B equals AB, and the AB in this case, in their example, is simple salt, and just the regular table salt that we use all the time, that I used at dinner tonight. So it is just that simple. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Where you take sodium and chlorine. Chlorine's kind of a nasty subject, or a nasty product. It can hurt if you get some on your skin. We use it to clean pools, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the bottle that we used. Here's the bottle, okay, and you can see that something happened to those iron filings. Okay, now let's take a look at the iron filings. Let me undo the top here real fast. Okay, I'm going to pour out some of the iron filings so we can see the difference in it. Okay, so there's the iron filings that we put into the bottle yesterday. Okay, and kind of typical iron filings, Okay, and now you can take a look at the bottle. Let's take this off of the bottle, and now let's take a look at, wow, it's kind of a cakey substance, and so what we have now is a combination of water and iron, and this is what we call rust. And so it's a different color, it's a different composition, and it is what we call rust again. Okay, and so as we take a look at it, the results of the synthesis reaction, iron plus oxygen plus water, we call these reactants. The reactants combine to make products, and then iron plus oxygen plus water equals rust. And you can see I drew that little arrow down there to indicate that the product in this case was rust. And then we have Fe is iron, of course, O2 and H2O. And there's rust, Fe, in parentheses OH, and there's two of those compounds make that. Okay, so synthesis, to combine or to put together. Okay, so I hope this was beneficial. I'm going to do another one on this kind of thing, because it's pretty interesting. So many things come together, and we're going to get through all these different reactions in the next coming week or weeks, and I think you'll find that to be pretty interesting. Okay, thank you very much.